Hello YouTubers, welcome to Blue Collection and to another diecast review. Today I'm going to show you Aviator Mater, a brand new release from Mattel. This Mater is part of the Take 5 collection and he is from the cartoon short Air Mater. This is a deluxe size diecast measuring 3.5 inches long by 5 inches wide. And this is actually my third Aviator. I have one from Tomica and also one from Hallmark, which is a Christmas ornament. The helmet is made of plastic and not removable, and he also has working propellers and his A113 license plate. The wings are also plastic. Alright YouTubers, thanks for watching this review, and click on any of these links to watch more Take 5 videos. Thanks again and see you next time.